Ever been hit with an unexpected bill that throws your whole budget into chaos? Car needs a repair. The fridge decides to take a permanent vacation. Life has a way of throwing financial curveballs. That's when you might consider a personal loan. But waiting weeks to hear back can be a nightmare, especially when you need the cash fast. So, let's say you're looking at Mogo. They advertise quick approvals and funding, but is it really that fast? How long does it actually take to get a Mogo loan? Let's break it down into two parts, getting pre-approved and receiving the funds. Buckle up, because for a financial product, this might surprise you. Pre-approval in minutes, not days. Alright, imagine this. You're staring at a repair bill that could swallow your savings whole. Panic starts to set in, but then you remember Mogo's pre-approval offer. Here's the beauty, Mogo claims you can get pre-approved in just 3 minutes. Yes, you read that right, 3 minutes. That's because the initial pre-approval process is mostly automated. They use your basic information and likely run a soft credit check, which doesn't impact your credit score. So, you can hop on their website, fill out the application, and within a few clicks, you'll see that magic pre-approval number. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. First, pre-approval is not a guarantee. It just means you're eligible to borrow a certain amount based on their initial assessment. Second, the pre-approval might come with a range, not a fixed amount. So, you might see something like pre-approved for $2,000 to $5,000. The final loan amount will depend on a more thorough review, which brings us to part 2. Funding, from application to money in hand. So, you got the pre-approval. Now what? Here's where things can get a little more time sensitive. Once you accept the pre-approval offer, Mogo might ask for additional documents to verify your identity and income. This could be things like pay stubs, bank statements, or proof of address. The faster you get these documents to them, the faster they can process your application. Mogo says they aim to review complete applications within 24 to 48 hours. But remember, this is an estimate. Depending on their workload or any complexities with your application, it could take a little longer. Once approved, Mogo boasts about same-day funding. Now, this depends on your bank and the time of day. Generally, for faster transfers, weekday mornings are ideal. But even with same-day funding not being a guaranteed option, Mogo still aims to get you the money within 1 to 2 business days. The Mogo Loan Lowdown, speedy, but do your research. Alright, so the verdict? Mogo can be a very fast option, especially compared to traditional lenders. Pre-approval in minutes and potential same-day funding are attractive features. But remember, speed comes at a cost. Mogo's interest rates tend to be on the higher side compared to banks or credit unions. So, before you jump into a Mogo loan, do your research. Explore all your options, compare interest rates, and make sure you can comfortably afford the repayments. A quick loan can be a lifesaver in an emergency, but getting stuck in a cycle of high-interest debt is definitely not ideal. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.